Welcome back, you lovely people, to my latest adventure with me, Isuzu D-Max, where I'm visiting all of the ARB hubs in the UK to make what is already an absolutely fabulous truck even more wonderful. Thanks to the visits I've done so far, I've got things on this truck you couldn't possibly dream of. I've got a kitchen in the back. I've got more roof rack space thanks to my base rack than a man could ever need. So I think you'll agree, it's a very impressive specification so far, but the one thing that I do not have is somewhere to stay for tonight. So today I'm here at Eaglesham Garage in Eaglesham, funnily enough, where we are going to fit some 5-star accommodation to the roof of this D-Max. Somewhere to sleep, somewhere to go away on lovely little holidays and escape from the world around me. So let's see how that goes down. Eaglesham Garage is a really magical place. It's very traditional in terms of its customer service and the fact it's a family-run business, but it's also incredibly modern. I bet you haven't seen an Isuzu dealer that looks like this on the inside. They're an ARB Hub, they're an Arctic trucks dealer, and as you can see, what they don't know about ordering trucks for stock isn't worth knowing. Now inside looks like somewhere where you might go and order yourself a supercar. Their ARB selection is beyond compare, full setup in the showroom with everything for you to try before you buy to make sure you like it. The whole place really is just a toy shop for grown-ups really, with a fabulous selection of both new and used trucks, this great handover bay and every accessory you could possibly dream of. But let's have a look inside the all-important workshop because that's where the action's happening today. So it's time to get the V-Cross into the workshop, and it's great to see that Boss Andy is no stranger to a bit of hard work. The other thing I love about the ARB gear, it's always so beautifully wrapped, they always protect it so well. So when it arrives at your dealer or with you, it's always in perfect condition. And that's really important on things like the Esperance because look at the beautiful paint finish. There are cars out there that aren't painted as well as that. Because the base rack is already on the truck, you can see it's very simply a case of getting a few learned and well-physiqued colleagues to lift it onto the top. You can see how well it sits. It's perfectly made for it. It's tailored to be there. And once it's in place, it's the usual thing. Brackets carefully laid out, a good read of the very explicit and informative instructions before the talented team simply put those brackets through the sliding rails, over and around the base rack bars, before everything's loosely tightened up, just to allow that little bit of adjustment. We don't want to go too tight just yet. Just nip everything up, make sure it's perfectly square, measure it, torque it, and she's ready for the road. So we've created the ultimate camping machine. Well, almost one more modification to do, so make sure you've liked and subscribed and rung that bell and join us for the next episode.